Hey guys, so we finally got some snow, so today we decided to come to White Pine, which is our local ski hill, and have some fun. It's a beautiful crystal clear day. Should be great for the slopes. Come join us.
We finally got some snow. Conor wanted to take advantage and do some snowboarding. White Pine is located 10 miles outside of Pinedale. It is a familiar place where you can rent the equipment needed to ski or snowboard, or you can get a season pass or just a pass for the day.
Morning.
How's it going, man?
Oh, great. Glad to finally be able to come out here. Right on. So we're going up the lift at White Pine here. It's an absolutely fantastic day. Half the town is out here. Got a good 10 inches of fresh powder last night, so everybody's coming out. It's finally a great day for skiing and snowboarding. Everybody's having a great time. Pretty nice views. All right, first run of the year. See how we get on.
It's been a mild winter, especially compared to last year, so we are thankful for the good snow we received last week. It was the perfect day to be outside, to enjoy life and all God's glory. Pulling a 50-pound sled across the ice for 2 miles to go fishing just isn't enough exercise for a guy my age. I build houses for a living, so I need to be fit and agile, especially if we're going to show the younger generation what it takes to live in the real world. Snowboarding is a great way to engage your strength, balance, and focus, all while being on top of the Rocky Mountains in the middle of winter.
Yum yum, guys! Look at this! You can get lots of food from our local ski hill.
I think skiing's a bit easier.
Huh?
I think skiing's a bit easier.
Bit easier. All right, following right behind you.
California, dude!
Bunga.
One of our best friends brought her kid to the ski hill, so I took him up for a few runs. He had great enthusiasm, and just after one lesson, he was able to bomb the hill without falling. If he keeps at it, he will be giving me lessons before the season is over. Cowabunga, bro.
Cowabunga, bro.
If you like to be outside and you like to live, then there is no better place than southwestern Wyoming. But to live here takes desire, courage, and grit. It means willingness to be self-sufficient. The reward of that independence is a community even stronger than you, a tight-knit family that embraces and defends your freedom and love of the land. No matter where you live, you can bring the heart of Wyoming to your home. Check out our online store today. Just click on the link. Thanks everyone for watching. Keep it real and live life abundantly.
Well, guys, we had a great time at White Pine today. It was a blast. Half the town was out here, but even still, it wasn't busy. No lines. Great snow today. We had a really, really fun time. Julieta had a blast, made some new friends, and was very entertained, so that's awesome. I don't think she got too many photos taken, but that's okay. So guys, make sure to subscribe and like and leave a comment and all that good stuff. We'd really appreciate it. My wife would really appreciate it. Make sure to go to our online store, check out our stuff, buy our stuff. We'd really appreciate it. Thank you guys. Have a good one.